Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review on this Nespresso Aero 3 milk frother. So the milk frother comes on a stand. That's how the power gets to the machine. Now you cannot put this in water. You've got to keep this area nice and dry. It's got a button here that'll do a hot froth milk or cold. Got a nice lid here with a sealed ring. Inside there's our whisk. It's very easy to get in and out. We've got two different marks on here. We've got a max, two different maxes, and there's a symbol by each one. That symbol is with this whisk on there or without this part on there. So we can whisk milk or froth milk with just this on there. And then we'll use this top max line. But if we put this part on, then we can only, this is going to give us a lot more foam, milk foam. So then we can only fill it up to that max line, which is right there. It's a lot lower than that one. This has got a nice big opening, fits on there. It's kind of like a little magnet holding it on there. So this will froth hot milk, so you can put milk in here and it'll heat it up, or you can keep it cold, either, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And to do the different froths, so if you just press it one time really quick, it turns red. That means it's going to heat the milk and froth it. And you can stop at any time by pressing the button. Now, if I press this button and hold it, it's going to turn blue. Now it's going to froth the milk, but not heat it up. Okay, so since I've got that whisk on, I'm going to fill it up to that bottom max line. Right there. It's very easy to use. You just got to set it on the stand, make sure it's plugged in, put the lid on, and hit the button one time. Turns red, and it's going to froth it and heat it up at the same time. And if we look inside, here's what it looks like on the inside. It's heating it up and frothing it. And so this lid has two of these little hooks. That's to store that whisk if you're not using it. So if you pull that like spring thing off, it will store right there. It will turn off automatically when it's done, and it's not very loud. Okay, so it just turns off. It doesn't beep at you or anything. Let's pour it out. There's what it looks like. And it heated it up to about 140, 146. You can sort of see the layers. I'll brew an espresso into it so we can see. Okay, so here I am brewed. There you can see the two different layers. So we can see we've got some nice warm milk at the bottom, and then we got kind of the foam layer at the top. Again, cleanup, you got to use a brush. You're going to want to take this out, clean this up. We just can't get water down in this area here. Okay, so now let's froth some. Let's take this off, and we can store it right there on the lid so we won't lose it. It stays on there really nice and good. Now we can just put this in here like that. Now I can fill it up to the max, the top max line. Okay, so we just set it on there. Again, just press it one time to heat it. If I hold press it, it will do it cold. And it's heating it up to about 112 right now. Okay, so that took a little bit longer. So mainly that's just warm milk with very little froth. And there's the layers. So there you have two completely different drinks. I think it does a really good job with both. Thanks everybody for watching.